everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to dive into my bin of fabulousness here because it has been a week, and it has been a week that we have gotten through some things. So let's go ahead and dive right in. We will dive into the non-wax products first. So I finished up something that's kind of life-changing. So I grabbed the Cozy Cardigan body wash as soon as the new catalog launched. Oh my goodness. Honestly, Cozy Cardigan and all of the things. It is such a pretty scent. So perfect for a body wash. It's so pretty. So like feminine, floral, kind of cashmere elegance. If elegance has a smell, it's so pretty. Oh, I love this one. And I feel like I hope this stays around. The season just started, but I'm already feeling like, oh, they're gonna take it away from us. But if they do take it away, we don't even need to talk about it like that. But I hope, if nothing else, Scentsy keeps Cozy Cardigan around in the body line, because this is absolutely beautiful and so perfect for the body line, in my opinion. It is so nice. I love it, and I actually have this in my car right now as well, and I am loving it there too. So that finished up, and I'm kind of a sad monkey about that. But okay, let's see here. We have some pods. We have some pods to talk about. So the pods, the casing is for the pods that are in the Goes currently, but let me just show you my situation here. So we went through 3 whole packs, because we've got 3 Goes of the Go-Go Mango scent. I was like, give me all of the Go-Go Mango. This was when it was still, well, it still is pretty toasty out here, but I wasn't quite ready for pumpkin scents just yet. Wasn't quite ready for the heavy scents just yet. And so this was right, was this right when? This may have been right before the catalog launched, when I decided to change all the things out to Go-Go Mango, but there's a little bit of scent left, but hardly any. So I did get through 6 of my Go-Go Mango pods. I still have a few backups, so I'm happy about that, because it is really, really nice. But I think I am done with Go-Go Mango in the pods, at least for the season. So hopefully they do bring it back. It's so nice. So for replacements, we have, I just had to break into the Harvest Collection pods. So I have Pumpkin Tiramisu and Pumpkin Chai happening right now. So wonderful. I love these. So good. Oh, so good. Absolutely perfection. Really, really love this. As you can tell, as you are about to tell, I am all ready for all the pumpkin things. Like I said, it's still hot outside, but I'm like, my body's like, I don't even care. Give me all the pumpkin. So love, love, love this. I'm actually shocked that these are still available in the Harvest Collection. So if you have not picked these up yet, if you have a wall fan diffuser, if you have a Scentsy Go, if you have a mini fan diffuser, pick these up if you love pumpkin fragrances, because these are so delightful. They really, really are. And they last forever, which is fantastic. So got through those, or currently going through those. And then Sean is actually, he's just finishing up a camping trip. He's actually on his way home, but whenever he goes anywhere, he has to bring his Scentsy Go with him, and he wants to have a little smell of home, which is aloe, water, and cucumber. This is kind of his go-to. Either aloe, water, and cucumber, or Blue Grotto is always his like go-to, but he was feeling like aloe, water, and cucumber. It was so funny. I actually had this set aside to give to the girls that I donated for the Room Redux donation, and he was like, so I had him smelling. I was like, hey, what do you think about these? And he smelled this. He's like, we have a backup of this, right? Because you realize I'm going camping, so I'm gonna need this. I'm like, let's put your needs first, sir. So he's got the aloe water and cucumber. I always make sure he's stocked in aloe water and cucumber and blue grotto and all the things. So he's good there. But yeah, so he's had that going. Okay, let's talk about wax. Okay, I will start, this is random, I never do that. Let's start with the kind of fresh scents that was starting out this situation. So I'm not exactly sure why there's only 2 cubes left. Usually I will completely finish it up. Apparently I decided not to. By the Sea. By the Sea is one of my go-to fresh fragrances. Absolutely love this one. What I love about this is that it's a fresh, clean, aquatic scent, but you get that little bit of like salty sea air along with it, which I absolutely love. And this is actually a really good performer as well. So that's great. I'm still gonna keep these 2 cubes. Just like super random. One that is in my club and inspired by Disney's Frozen 2 movie, The North Calls. And this is such a pretty fragrance. So pretty. I definitely, this one, oh man, it's so pretty. I love this. This will stay in my club. This is one that when I was making my Scentsy club edits, deciding what scents were gonna stay, what scents were gonna go, this was one of the ones that was kind of on the chopping block. I was like, well, am I gonna keep it? Am I not? And I warmed it. I was like, oh yeah, no, I can't be without this. There's nothing else like it. It's very pretty. It's almost like a perfume. It's a sweet, kind of sweet, clean, cool floral. Oh, I love this. So The North Calls, and that is staying in my club for sure. Okay, the Womp Womp of the week. Is this the only Womp Womp? Yes, it is. From the Find Your Happy wax.
Sorry, I couldn't hear what you said.
Siri, nobody's talking to you. From the Find Your Happy wax collection. Womp, womp, womp. First Kiss Fireworks. This, I smelled nothing like nothing. I put my face right into the dish. Right into the dish. I got a little hint of like, it kind of reminds me of when Scentsy had lemons and berries years ago. But lemons and berries on its like 3rd or 4th day warming straight. So it was so light from the very moment that it was warming in my warmers. It's so pretty, but it's totally summery. So light. So light. So this will be removed from my Scentsy club because it is so insanely light, almost undetectable. So if you are someone who likes lighter scents, maybe you tend to get headaches pretty easily, but you still like your home fragrance, maybe pick this one up. This is only available in the Find Your Happy wax collection, and there's some pretty strong ones in there. So if you're only wanting one, I would maybe suggest adding it to a Scentsy club subscription. Give it a try. If you decide you don't like it, you can always remove it anytime. But this for me was a womp womp. Okay, let's talk about things that were not a womp womp, shall we? Luna, this is always a great one to have. I always like to have at least 1 bar of this. I actually think I have a brick of this from my Scentsy club subscription that I decided to pick up. This is a really pretty sweet pea, jasmine, sweet floral. It's the only one in the floral collection right now. It is a bestseller. It is absolutely beautiful. So love that one. Luna, got through that. Okay, this is where your girl was like, you know what? It's fall, friends. Let's do this. So Cider Mill, I got through 2 of my very favorite fall time fragrance. Cider Mill, love this so very much. This is just pumpkins and apples. If you are familiar with Bath & Body Works Pumpkin Apple, this is almost a dupe, if not a dupe. So good. I love this. There is maybe the slightest bit of just a hint of spice on the back end, but it's more pumpkin, more apple, nothing really crazy about it. It's just simple, it's sweet, it's fall perfection. Oh, I love it. And they actually, in case you were not aware, they actually, Scentsy came out with a cider mill cleaning bundle that while I'm recording this is still currently available. I am shocked. I actually thought it was gonna sell out crazy fast. The brick, Johnny Appleseed brick, that sold out crazy fast within like 30 minutes, but the cleaning bundle is still currently available. So if you love this scent, I would say be cautious with the counter clean. I have been using the counter clean actually like crazy, but I've been using it on different areas. I'm gonna get into that some more a little bit later, but I love it. But I don't want to ruin this scent for me, and so far I haven't. So oh, it's so good. I'm kind of using it as like a fabric freshener. Like I'm using it on my couches, using it on my rugs, you know, kind of as a fabric freshener rather than like a furniture cleaner or a counter cleaner per se, because I don't want to associate it with like a cleaning product, but so good. Okay, I also decided to go through just one bar. Oh, because I did some mixing. Not mixing 1 cube to 1 cube, but just downstairs and alternating warmers. You guys know I have a crap ton of warmers. That's just how I roll. Downstairs, in alternating warmers, I had almond croissant and pumpkin cinnamon swirl. Oh no, you know what? No. This one was 1 cube to 1 cube because you want to know why. I did a bars to jars. That's what it was. I did a bars to jars this week of pumpkin pecan waffles from Bath and Body Works. And so that's what I did. 1 cube to 1 cube, almond croissant and pumpkin cinnamon swirl. So this one was really, really nice. Loved it. I was like, wait a minute, I don't think I did alternating warmers. Nope, because I didn't. I did 1 cube to 1 cube mixture of these two. Absolutely fabulous. I love it. This is pumpkin, a cinnamon roll with like a very sweet vanilla icing on top. Oh, so good. And then the almond croissant, you do have that almond note. There is this rich, buttery, bakery note along with this. Oh, it's just such a beautiful combination. Love this one. Definitely a favorite mixture for sure. Okay, next, I finally broke into my gorgeous pumpkin bar bundle. Ooh. So what I will say, so pumpkin tiramisu, definitely my favorite. This is what I was expecting to be my favorite. Totally is. Love it. Fantastic. Going into my club, staying there forever and ever. Love this one. What I will say, so this is what's warming downstairs. These are actually going in alternating warmers. Beautiful. Bright Cider Life. Oh, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. This is so good. Let me tell you, when I smelled this on cold, I liked it. I wasn't crazy about it. It was honestly probably my least favorite of the 3 bars that come in the bundle. When this warmed up, oh, it just came to life. There is that cedar note, but you do get apples. It's so good. It's so good. It really comes to life. There's more of a sweetness. It's a little less woodsy when you are warming it up, but you do have that kind of earthiness that the cedar is bringing to this. But you do, when it's warmed up, it does sweeten up some more. So I just love it. Love it. And having these going in alternating warmers is so, so nice. It is a perfect fall paradise downstairs. Smells so good. Okay, let's talk about what's happening in this room here. So something that I do, so we just found out what the Bring Back My Bar winners are that are coming back this December 2020. And so right before we found out, I was like, okay, I need to do my little good luck charm. I'm gonna go through, and the 2 bars I really wanna see come back, I'm gonna pop them into my warmers and just hope that at least one of the 2 come back, if not both of them. I figured only one of them were because it's the same like kind of base scent. So in this room I've got, well, kind of throughout the upstairs in alternating warmers, I have Very Perry Pumpkin and Pumpkin Marshmallow. Oh, it's so good. This is just a pumpkin. it's a perfect pumpkin paradise in this place, let me tell you. So Very Perry Pumpkin, I love this one so much. I do have my sweet friend Andrea gave me a few of these bars, and so I am hanging on to them. You can see this one was probably one of my original ones that I had before she gave me hers. This got a little bit juicy, but oh man. I wish Scentsy would bring this one back. It's not going to be available to vote back for the spring and summer bring back my bar, but fingers, toes, and eyes crossed it is back for voting for next fall and winter bring back my bar. I'm already jumping ahead a year, but oh, it's just pears and pumpkins. It's sweet. It's everything I wanted perfect pumpkin pear to be, and we all know how I feel about that, but oh, it's sweet, and it's just pears and pumpkin. There's no spice. There's nothing else to it. It's just perfect. So I'm gonna go cry over here in a corner. But what is coming back for Bring Back My Bar this coming December 2020 is pumpkin marshmallow. I am super pumped about this. So I feel a little less sad about Very Perry Pumpkin not coming back because we are going to get pumpkin marshmallow. And this one is just so good. And now I can happily warm through the bars that I have been hoarding for myself. I love it. Once again, no spice to it. You know what this smells like? Putting it like very bluntly, it just smells like canned pumpkin. Canned pumpkin with a little bit of sweetness from marshmallow, but it's just, that's what it is. It's not fresh pumpkin. It's not bakery pumpkin. Well, I guess technically it would that be considered bakery? You're not really baking. It's just in a can, but it's just canned pumpkin. Oh, it's sweet and it's wonderful. It performs like a champ. It's fabulous. I love this. So happy it's coming back for Bring Back My Bar. You bet your booty you will find this in Lisa's Scentsy Club. That is faux show. Okay, that's it. That's what we got through over this last week. I have had a lot of people ask me, seems like whenever I go through, especially when I skip a week, people are like, how many bars do you get through? Like how many? I have a lot of warmers, friends. I have a lot of warmers. I warm different things in different areas of the house. So while I go through 2 entire bars downstairs. So while I have 2 bars going downstairs, I may have 2 full bars going upstairs as well. And then I will usually change out my warmers every 2 to 3 days. It just depends on what's warming. In some cases, First Kiss Fireworks, it's in for a day. If I can't smell it, I'm not gonna waste my time with it. So, but most cases, it's like 2, 3, sometimes 4 days. It just depends on the scent, how strong the scent is. This one only lasted a day, couldn't smell it, wasn't gonna waste my time, decided to move on to the next scent. So it just depends on the scent in terms of how often I'm changing things out. But keep in mind, I do have a lot of warmers, so that's why I do go through quite a bit of wax. And I'm not even mad at it. I love it. So let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you have been warming through. Have you been doing some mixing? Did you get your Harvest Collection gorgeous pumpkin bar bundle? Did you start warming anything? What are your thoughts? I love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.